Okay, so we received this package from Annie's Tea. We're going to unbox it and see what it has inside. There, Annie's Garden for healthy and beautiful life. So it's a nice boxing, and at the back it has the instructions on how to use it and the uses. So weight loss, detoxifying, fresh milk. I think the most important here is treats high blood pressure and menstruation. That's what I really like. And also, of course, detoxifying and weight loss. So inside this beautiful box, you have okay, first this one. Water bottle. Yeah, it's a water bottle. I guess this is where you're going to put the tea. And there, it's just a small bottle with the bag. Nice bag. And we have straw and sugar. Splenda. So the sweetener. And there are the different fruit teas. So I'm not sure what this is. Maybe this is apple. Yeah, I think. And there's orange. Kiwi. Is that kiwi? Yeah, and there's some herbs in there. I think some edible flowers too. But this one I don't know what these are. And so basically you have to open this up and put everything into the jug or to the water bottle, and then put some water, warm water, and you can consume that whole bottle in a day. You can actually refill it 2 to 3 times with warm water and drink it the whole day. They said that the effect will be it's going to suppress your appetite and also boost your metabolism if before you don't really metabolize or digest your food really well. After drinking this, they say that your metabolism will be faster and it will be better. So the promise of this product is that if you're going to use this or to drink it regularly for 28 days, you're going to lose 3 to 5 kilograms from your current weight. So that's a lot. It's a promising result. I hope that it's gonna work for me. I will try it starting tomorrow morning. So I'm going to update you with the effects of this Annie's Garden Tea to me, and if it really will help me lose weight and regularize my blood pressure and also my menstruation, because I was diagnosed with PCOS years ago, and I really need to work on my hormones and my weight so that I can get a regular menstruation monthly. Alright guys, so that's it. That's what the Annie's Garden Tea sent me. We are going to try it and give you feedback Thank you.